Denise Morris here, and today's quick fix video is about formatting in Word. If you've used find or find and replace for specific words in Word, that's amazing. But did you know you can also find and replace for formatting issues? Let me show you how. This file has been returned to you and someone has gone highlight or happy throughout. If I select all of this doing Control A, I could hit the normal style and the normal style will return the text to normal. But highlighting isn't seen the same way, and so a good way to get rid of this is using our formatting. So I will go to Control H to pop open this window. And so what I'm looking for is I want them to find anything that's highlighted and I want to replace it with no highlight. Best way to do this is to click on More and then click on the Find What, and we're going to leave it blank, but I'm going to go down here to Format and I'm going to choose Highlight. And now notice it's saying, okay, I'm looking for anything that's highlighted, and I'm going to click here to replace with, and I'm going to go to Highlight again, but I don't want it to remain highlighted. So I'm going to click on Format and highlight it one more time. So now it shows no highlighting is what I want the format to be. I'm going to go ahead and click Replace All. It replaced 5 replacements. And if I go and look in here, I can see that there is no longer anything being highlighted. There you have it. Now your documents look consistent without needing to do a manual cleanup of the formatting. Remember, small changes, quick fixes, big